Hi, my name is Anointing, and this is MST300 Project 2. The first thing is the Azure Bastion, the demonstrating the connectivity to client VM, the client VM. So the client VM, this is the client VM. Okay, so trying to demonstrate how the connectivity using the client VM. All right, the VM has started. So this is it, connecting via the bastion. All right, put in my password. It's already saved. All right. So my client VM is loading. All right, still loading. Still loading. Okay. So this is my client VM, and so this one, the second is the load balancer. All right. So we go back to my the Azure profile. Search for load balancer. All right, this is my load balancer. This is the configuration. This is the front end configuration. So this is the configuration of the load balancer. This is front end. That is front end. And this is back pool. This is my back pool. Two VMs are already attached to the back pool. Two VMs are running. The head probe, everything is there. This is the head probe, the configuration of the head probe. So So that is that for the load balancer. So I have launched the VM. I've launched the client VM with the all right. So from the client VM, from the client VM, want to try that. All right. So let me refresh that again. This is from my client VM. Let's see. It's not loading. Let me start it again. All right. So that's my load balancer. Let me start up the VM one again. Start it up again. Okay, so why the VM? Okay, started. Okay, so started. So we have trying to launch the IIS, the web service. The okay, so I can launch it from here. Let me refresh the page. Oh, I don't know why it's not showing here. So yeah, this is for the client VM, and this is the sorry, this is the web server VM1, and this is the web server VM2. So the configuration was changed. This is the configuration. The configuration was changed. So as you can see, it was changed to green. The color was changed to green, and the title. So the same thing, the same thing for my web server one VM. For my web server one VM, the same thing. Change the configuration, the title. Sorry, the title and the color yellow. So so that is that. Then the next thing is yeah. So the web server. So these are the pages for the web server. These are the title page and there's my title page like I showed. The the title page is a title page. My student ID, that's the title page, and this is the color modification. So the same thing for the web server 2 VM. The same thing for the web server 2 VM. So this is it as well. I've shown that before. Let me just show it again. So this is the modified color, background color, and this is my page, the title page, my student ID. Okay, so the next thing is the virtual pairing. Okay, so the virtual pairing, go to virtual networks. So these are the virtual pairing. This is network one. It's network two. So from here you can see that network one VM. This is fully synchronized. It's connected. It's pairing to look at it. VM2 to VM1. So it's pairing, and look at the status, the permissions, the settings is allowing the two networks to pair. Let's also go to the other network. It's VNet2 settings. Also, you can see one network. You can see there's one network, the same. Also, fully synchronized, connected as well. So you can see that the two networks, the two networks are pairing, because if I go to VM web server VM to ping, if I ping from VM1, it works. So is so that is that. Then so yeah, successful access to websites like this also example. I can access google.com. So I can access google.com. Okay, so the client VM is up and running. Then Azure Private DNS Zone. Yeah, the Azure Private DNS Zone. Let's go back to that. And Azure Private DNS Zone. Yeah, also fully configured. This is my username, my student name, MST300.com. As you can see, it's fully configured. One virtual network link. So you can see that as well. Look at the record set. Everything is there. So and if I want to check, just to check, and if I want to check the two network if they're working, I can just say I can just say sorry, sure. I can just try to ping. This is number one. Try to ping VM one. It's working as well. Ping as well the same. I can also as well ping from the same from VM1. So they are both connected. So VM1 are both connected. V Web Server one. So so P Web Server one and Web Server one VM and Web Server two VM, they are connected. So these are the five functionalities of this lab. The three VMs are running and they can access website, and the 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 web service website is also modified. All right, thank you.